Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for coming back to visit us. This is a video of the backyard chickens we promised to share with you, and there they are. We got them on April 29th. 10 little black Australorps from online. I went to the store, but I couldn't find black Australorps, and those are the ones I wanted. Because from the reviews I saw, they're the quietest, they're the most gentle, they're just adorable, and I can now confirm it's true. Black Australorps are really good backyard chickens. At this time, I think they arrived when they were like 4 days old. So right now you're looking at 4-day-old black Australorps. It is such a hard word to say. Australorps. Anyway, very adorable. The children were just like very excited to have them. We took them out like for a field trip. It was a nice, really sunny day. It wasn't quite warm yet, so we're trying to get them used to being outside. And you can see Bali, our husky, just lurking around, hoping to get a play. But yeah, so Nilna is prepping the coop, and there's a little chicken coop. We got it from Amazon. It's pretty small. They say you can accommodate up to like 5 adult chickens, but I think it's pretty tiny. We're gonna keep them in there. Once it's warm enough outside, we're gonna leave them in there. But our objective is to get just a couple chickens. So we're probably gonna share them with the neighbors or whoever is interested. So there they are on their first day out. We just laid down some straw to keep them warm and to give them something to play with, learn to forage. We kept them in that orange bucket you saw in the garage overnight, and then daytime we wait for it to turn a little warm, and then we take them outside and let them there. Yeah, so yeah, it's almost a month. It's been a month. So they're growing, they're getting bigger, healthy. We just feed them chicken feed from the store, but we also give them like breadcrumbs. We give them some vegetables from our garden. Change their water they drink every morning. Yeah, we were able to, so we went online and just posted if there's anybody interested in getting some chicks. At this time they're called pullets. Like after a few weeks of life, they're not chicks anymore, they're pullets. So we have a neighbor who's also a backyard chickener who brought his kids around, and they got a couple. So we gave them 2 pullets, and the 8 left. Bali got to one of them and he was playing with it. Of course he killed it, so we're left with 7. There was another neighbor who came and got 1 pullet, and then we had 6 left. We went outside one evening and came back to find out a fox had gotten into them. And so what you see is what was left of 2 of the chickens we had. So we lost 2 chickens from the 6 that were left. It was a very hard thing to see was heartbreaking. But yeah, we have a lot of foxes around here. We only saw a trail of the feathers on the grass. Over the summer, we went for a trip. Unfortunately, a fox came and got to one of them again. When we came back, we only had 3 chickens left. There they are. We kept the 3. We didn't even need to give any away now. We had 3 left, and that was good enough, or so we thought. They're pretty happy together. They would go places together. You know, they're either outside by the garden foraging or coming back to their coop. They're always together. So I think they like to flock together. It's good to have at least a couple so that they don't feel too lonely. Just before I finish putting this video together, Bali got to 1 more chicken. Yes, unfortunately. He just grabbed it, and I don't even know how he gets into the chicken run, but by the time we realized it's already too late. Yeah, he killed 1 more chicken. We didn't let him like chew it or anything, so we took it away and just in a plastic bag and put it.
Hello, ladies. Come on here. Come on. Come on.
They haven't started laying yet, but with all the stress and what's going on, who can blame them? But it's just good to have them. They're wonderful, wonderful birds to have. So there you are. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
Hello. Wanna say hello? Hello, ladies.